Hello dears, welcome to this Android task-based learning with Java inside Android Studio 4.0. So deal with the skill. In this task we are going to deal with the radio group, radio buttons, seek bar button, edit text with input type and scroll view. So the task to do it is you have to type the number inside edit text, then write the word whatever you want to type. Then set text size from the seek bar, set or select the color from the radio button, red, green and blue, and click on the button. Message will be shown inside the text view as the number of times whatever the number it is inputted by the user. So text color of final result as per the color selection, and advanced task is keyboard should be hide on the button click. So what exit output should require? So if you type likewise like and number of times if I say 3, and then if you click show, then keyboard will be hidden and 3 times like will be displayed, and change the color and size will be changed as per the seek bar. So good practical, very nice task you have to perform. So all the best and start your task with the pause the video. After the completion of task, play this video. Hello, welcome back. I think you have completed your task. So upgrade your studio to Android Studio 4.0. In this practical we are going to use view binding. So there is no need for find view by IDs. Let's start Android TBL, means task based learning with Java inside Android Studio 4.0. So click on new project with empty activity, then empty project, then build.gradle file. Just type view binding enabled equals to true. So make sure your internet connection will be on. We are going to design the screen with 2 edit text, 1 text view for the text size, 1 seek bar to change the text size, radio buttons to set the color of text result, and 1 button to show the message. 1 text view with the scroll view, because if sometimes the user writes more than 10 numbers, then scroll view will be desired. So step number 2, we need to define 3 listeners, 1 for button listener, 1 for seek bar and 1 for radio group. So first in the milestone we completed this practical with button listener. After that, whatever the coding we need to write inside the seek bar listener and radio group listener. So let's start with the practical session. So go to file, new, and new project with the empty activity, click on next, then just type demo tblj, whatever the name you want to type. I want to type latest one. So this one is Java, click on finish. All the stuffs are ready. So just I type, and over here just I want to type view binding. So because why we are writing view binding? Because we don't need to type find view by IDs for all the components. So enabled equals to true. Click on sync now. Make sure your internet connection is on. So the process is finished. Just I want to type one more thing for the find view by ID activity, main binding. It is automatically generated class. So initialize that binding equals to activity main binding dot inflate, then get layout inflator. Just remove this r dot layout and type binding dot get root. Okay, all the steps are ready. So just design the screen right now. So go to activity underscore main dot screen, and over here just I increase the size. Okay, and type with this one. So first I type padding for 10 dp. It will take a few times to design the task because it is the part of programming. So edit text, just I type id, then at that plus id edt, whatever the number we are going to type over here. I want to set it because I want 2 edit text in a row, so that's why I am typing this one. Remove the bottom to bottom off, and there is text will be 1 over here, if I want there is an empty text, then just I type number. Okay, input type equals to number, so no need to define any text inside this one. So this is the fine one, and just I type text size will be 30 sp and text color will be black. Okay, and left to left of, no need for right to right of. Top to top of it is okay, and just I type. Okay, so everything is fine. One more edit text I want to copy paste from this one, so Control V, and this one is for word, so width will be 250 dp, it is okay. So there is no text I want to write, then type here, input type will be text. Okay, so everything is fine, but I want to type left to right of whatever the EDT number. Okay, and one more thing, margin left I want to type, margin left 20 dp. So I think it is okay with the edit text. So move forward with another code. After that we want one text view to set width will be match parent, height will be rep content, to whatever the size will be set it for the text size. So just I type @+id underscore text size. Okay, so first text size and text color. Okay, and copy this one, text size and text color, and type text. Default text I want to set text size equals to, my default value I want to keep 30. So text size equals to 30 I have type over here. So already text size is 30, so left to left of parent and right to right of parent, in top to bottom of EDT number. After that just I type margin top, I think it is 10 dp, 20 dp, 10 dp it is okay. So text size it is okay with this one, so just I want to type sick bar. So sick bar will be match parent, and rep content id will be @+id and s bar underscore text underscore size. So many things we need to write. Likewise max will be 60 and min will be 30. So for the new developer it is thing to know what is minimum value you want to keep, left to left of parent, and again I will copy from this one, Control C, Control V. Okay, and bottom to top of TV text size. Okay, everything is fine with this one, and set the progress to 30. So what is minimum value to set the progress to 30? So sick bar is completed. So after the sick bar just I want to type radio group. So radio group should be there, radio group. Width will be, I want to type match parent, height will be rep content. First I close this one and give the id @+id and r group underscore color. Okay, inside that we need to type 3 buttons also, but just first I type certain other attributes, likewise left to left of parent, right to right of parent, and after the sick bar I want this one. So radio button after sick bar. So margin top is there. First I type orientation will be horizontal and gravity will be center horizontal, and we need to take 3 radio buttons with rep content and rep content. First give the id @+id r btn underscore red. Text will be red with the text color will be we are typing red color is there, and text size is 30 sp. Okay, and after that just type, I want to type margin left will be 10 dp. After that just first I type checked equals to true, so red will be true after the setting all those things. So just I copy this one, Control C, and paste it for first one. It is for red after green, this one is green, and 0F0 is there, so text will be also green, and the last one is blue. Okay, text is also blue. You know that 00F is the code, so red, green and blue, all the values are set over here. So our radio button and radio group code as per our desire. So let's move forward. One button is remaining, one button width will be match parent, height will be wrap content. First I close this one, give the ID for that, and the plus ID btn show, and left to left of parent, right to right of parent, and top to bottom of our radio group. So RGB radio group color. So margin set with the 20 dp, and background color will be black, text color will be white. So text I want to set show is there, so text size will be 30 sp, and all the things, I think all the things is set it over here. So just one thing is remaining, that is scroll view, and inside that one text view. Why we are using scroll view? You know that if the some person is doing with a larger number of times, then we need scroll view over here. So first I type left to left of, right to right of, and all those things. Okay, inside the top to bottom of our button show. So also I want to set margin bottom 20 dp. Okay, so inside that we need one text view. So text view will be with match parent and wrap content. First we give the ID to that, at the red plus ID, and TV result will be the name. So just type semicolon, and text color will be black. By default you want to set, I want to make it right. Okay, red one. So text will be red. First inside the text just type I word. So text size will be 30 sp by default, and layout gravity, okay, layout gravity will be center horizontal, and gravity will be also center horizontal. Okay, so inside the middle we see this one, so whatever the text view, so our screen is ready. So just I close this one and go to our coding part. What we need certain variables, so just I type integer number equals to, by default it is 1, and string word, whatever the word will be typing inside the edit text. Integer text size will be, by default it is 30, we are going to set with the unit sp, and string will be text color, by default it is red. So our variable is ready to develop our coding part. So after that, first we write the coding for hide the keyboard, public void, okay, public static void, and hide soft keyboard with the activity. Okay, then inside that we need to write certain code to hide the keyboard with input method manager. input method manager, then initialize that variable. Before that we typecast it, input method manager, then whatever the activity, get system service, then system service will be activity dot input method service. Okay, so just one line to hide the soft keyboard, hide soft from the unit means activity dot get current focus dot get window token. The another argument is 0. So very easy code to hide the soft keyboard, where we are going to write on the press of button click. So after that just we type another code for the button listener. After that completion of milestone, we write the code for sick bar changing and all those things. So binding dot btn show dot set on click listen new space and control space. Very nice. And inside this one, first we type binding dot edt number dot get text dot toString dot string dot is empty, or okay, just I copy this one, paste it, and with the word I want to type, then we type the toast message. Okay, toast dot make text get application context comma whatever the you want to type, likewise fill the detail comma toast dot length short dot show is the method. Inside else part we are going to write certain coding. So inside else part we are going to write if number, what we want, that whatever the, okay, after the trimming process of this one, but it is integer dot parse int. So just we type this thing binding dot number dot get text dot toString dot trim, and it is a wrapper class. So after that we need to type word equals to, just we convert this one is with the new word. Okay, after that all the thing is finished, just I type string result equals to double quote. We are going to concat with another one, but before that just we type for loop. It is a logical part, integer I equals to 1, I is less than whatever the number I plus plus, it is logical part. So result equals to, okay, result plus whatever the word we want to type plus double quote and slash n. Okay, so it is logical part, this one is. So if you have your logical mind, then you can write these types of coding. So after that just we type for the binding dot rbtn, if the red button is checked, then what we need to do, binding dot tv result dot set text color, then color dot red is the value. So just I copy this one. Okay, inside that just I copy and else, then I paste it. Okay, it is for the green, and green will be the value. Again inside the else part just I copy paste it. Okay, and this time is for blue. So if the blue is the value, then okay, so our coding part to set the color, it is okay, and define, just we want to set with the text size. So text size will be binding dot text size bar is there, and whatever the progress we want to set. This one is important line. So TV result we are going to set the SP values, set text size with the unit. This one is typed value, if you know that, then typed value dot sp complex dot unit dot sp comma whatever the text size we want to set. It is important line, how we can set the text with programmatically with the sp unit. So binding dot tv result dot set text equals to result plus double quote. It is for the precautionary purpose only, and just type hide soft keyboard and main activity dot this. Okay, I think our milestone 1 is ready. Just I press Shift F10. After just we need to set two things. One is to set with the sig bar changing, and one is with radio group. So let's see what happened with this one. Press Shift F10 and let's see on the result side. It is 1. I think that like and 3 times. Okay, so like is here, and if it is green and we check with this one and blue and click on this one, and if it is increased likewise 60 and blue, then 60 and blue. I think it is okay. Just one change is needed for the designing purpose. I think for the by default value inside this one radio group, this one is true, which will be overridden. So by default red should be clicked. Okay, just I remove from the green also. Okay, by default see this one red is checked. Okay, just I close this one and write the coding for the listener inside on create. Just I type binding dot whatever the sig bar dot, if you know that, set on sig bar change listener, set on sig bar change listener, new space and control space. So inside the on progress, just we need to type text size equals to progress, and what are the two lines we have written, likewise this one text size is this one, but after that also we need to write this one. So one more line, binding dot TV text size is there. I want to set text size, and text size equals to plus whatever the text size is there. So accordingly it will be set inside the text view. One more listener we are going to write, binding dot R group color dot set on check change listener is there, new space and control space. On check change we need to write the code. What we are going to write this code, but control C, inside that there is a return type integer is there. So if condition will be different, likewise if checked id equals to r dot id dot rbtn red, then set red color, control C, then if it is green then set green color, and checked id equals to blue, then set blue color. So all the thing it is ready and our task is about to complete. Just see the particular task result. Press Shift F10. Let's see. Okay, so I type useful, it will be print for the 100 times. Press on this one, see this one 10 times, 10 times is here. So if we do it by this way, it will be okay. Click on green, click on blue, and if you set with the 3 times green and blue, click on show. Okay, I think it is okay. One more thing I think it is needed for changing. So if we write 2 then it is 2. So just I want to check equals to sign over here inside the number. So everything it is okay with the orientation, and all those things are ready with this one. So let's see, and press again Shift F10. So just I close this one, and see this one for loop is important. So again I going to type this one by this way. So I type 3, then type enjoy, click on show, 3 times show is there, and simultaneously it will be affected by that way also. And see this one also on the text size it will be set, and with the changing of this one also. So our task is completed, and it is a good exercise for combination of edit text, input type, and seek bar and radio button and simple button and text view. So our task is completed. Android task based learning with Java inside Android Studio 4.0. So seek bar, radio button, radio group, scroll view, edit text button and text view. So thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep coding. Thank you very much.